Here are some highlights from the September issue of Pumper Magazine, brought to you by Garnet Instruments. Tired of guesswork? Get precision with the Sea-Level Annihilator 806. Built for reliability, this liquid-level measurement system features dead-on accurate readings whether you're hauling sewage or grease. With monitoring for up to 3 compartments, it eliminates second-guessing and messy overflows. Visit garnetinstruments.com today. It started with one beat-up truck and a nightmare first job. Today, Quality Septic pumps 20 tanks a day and installs systems across 3 Florida counties. Their secret? 3 simple principles they refuse to compromise. Roots, grease, sagging lines. Sewer piping is where little mistakes become big problems. Learn how to spot trouble early, set things up right, and keep septic systems running smooth for the long haul. Running a septic business is tough enough. Don't make it harder by babysitting every detail. Here are 7 ways to stop micromanaging and finally trust your crew to deliver. Money helps, but it ain't the only way to keep your best guys from walking. Here's how small shops can use golden handcuffs that go beyond paychecks to build real loyalty. Steep slopes, tight lots, and state rules that don't budge. Missouri installer Stanley Stoltzfus shares what it's like keeping septic systems running in the Ozarks. Columbia River Affordable Portables just rolled out a 2023 Kenworth T880 with a 5,500-gallon stainless tank. Check it out, the classy truck of September. Septic crews already know how to run vac power. Now see how contractors just like you are turning hydro and air excavation into real profits. Find the equipment you need in this directory. Then in the product focus, explore the newest hydrovacs, hose reels, and hot water systems built for tough jobs and tight spaces. From Florida's manatee fight to Michigan's new inspection rules, septic crews everywhere are feeling the squeeze. Here's a look at the regulations rolling out. The new Urus ZCS 824 blower drops in as a direct replacement for the Roots 824 RCS. Built tough, high flow, and ready to work. Hit the Pumper Classifieds and put some pre-owned gear back to work where it belongs. All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper Magazine, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.